How to use the Rapid Response Urine Drug Test Strip. This strip format is available for different drug parameters. Before testing, confirm the product name, cutoff, and check the expiration date on the pouch. Make sure the pouch is sealed and not damaged. Do not open the pouch until you are ready to begin. Wash your hands and lay everything out on a clean, flat surface. The kit includes the test strips and product inserts. Step 1. Collecting the specimen. Collect the urine specimen in a clean, dry cup. Urine collected at any time of day can be used. You can also test urine collected in a rapid response multi-drug urine test cup. Step 2. Performing the test. Open the sealed pouch and remove the strip. Use the strip within 1 hour of opening. Hold the strip by the printed label. Take note of the wavy lines and max line. You will dip this side into your cup. Keep the end of the strip in the urine for 10 to 15 seconds. Remove the strip and place it on a flat, clean, dry surface. Now start your timer. Read the result at 5 minutes. Non-negative means one colored line appears at C only. No line appears at T. Negative means 2 colored lines appear, one at C and one at T. A faint T line with a C line should also be read as negative. No C line means the test is invalid. Use a new test strip and follow the instructions again. If you have questions about using this product, please contact technical support at the number listed on the product insert. Rapid Response Urine Drug Test Strip. Collect urine, dip for 10 to 15 seconds, lay flat, and read at 5 minutes.